Hey there friend, today we are going to add numbers using a number line. Think of a number line like a long road with numbers on it. When we add a plus number, we walk to the right. When we add a minus number, we walk to the left. Let's have fun. Let's look at the first one. We have positive 7 plus positive 9. On our number line, we start by standing on the number 7. We are adding positive 9, so we walk 9 steps to the right. Count with me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We stop at 16. Positive 7 plus positive 9 equals positive 16. When we add two plus numbers together, we get an even bigger plus number. Great job. Now, let's do the second one. We have 0 plus negative 10. On our number line, we start by standing on 0. We are adding negative 10, so we walk 10 steps to the left. The minus sign tells us to go left. We count 10 steps left from 0 and we stop at negative 10. 0 plus negative 10 equals negative 10. When we start at 0 and walk left, we land on a minus number. Easy peasy. Now the last one. This one has 3 numbers to add. We have positive 15, then add negative 3, then add negative 5. Don't worry, we will do it one step at a time. We start on the number line at 15. First we add negative 3. That means we walk 3 steps to the left from 15. Count with me. 14, 13, 12. We land on 12. So positive 15 plus negative 3 gives us positive 12. Now we still need to add negative 5 to this 12. Let's keep going. Now from 12 we add negative 5. So we walk 5 more steps to the left. Count with me. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We land on 7. Let's see the whole thing. We went from 15 to 12 and then from 12 to 7. Step by step, nice and easy. Positive 15 plus negative 3 plus negative 5 equals positive 7. You did it. Here are all our answers together. You did an amazing job. Always remember, plus means go right, minus means go left. That is how we use a number line to add numbers. You are a math star.